Hi guys! So today I will be telling you how I draw this birdie illustration. This illustration of mine got featured by 100 Days of Sketching Challenge, which was actually introduced by Kesh. The software that I would be using is Photoshop. The step that I usually do is to draw that illustration on a piece of paper and then import it in Photoshop. Once that has been done, we will start inking our illustration, and the color that I'm picking up today is red. You can opt for any color you feel like, but today I will go for red. So let's just start with the inking process. Once this has been done, we'll go ahead with coloring our illustration. Just make sure that your inked illustration is on top of all the layers. Hope you like this piece of art. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.